What's up, YouTubers? Today we are going to be taking a look at the car boot wheel lock from Amazon. This lock is traditionally used by parking enforcement scammers to extort you out of your hard-earned money. However, it can also be used as a security device to secure your trailer or car. It could also be used as a great way to get back at that annoying neighbor or ex of yours. In this video, we will look at how this device works, the build quality, and the best way to defeat this scam as an average person, aka not your lockpicking lawyer. Thanks for tuning in. Here's the wheel lock assembled. Let's take a quick look. You notice here is a little tire puncturing thing, so if you try to drive forward with this device on your wheel, it'll pop your tire. And notice here there's a tubular lock. You will need to use the included key. To access this portion right here, and where you use this wrench to loosen up the clamping device. And then you would just close it and lock it. Now, initial impressions. This is very sturdy. For the price, I'm surprised. It's actually about 13 pounds of pure steel. This plate looks kind of weak. The points of attack, I'd assume, would be this tubular lock or this plate that goes around the wheel. So let's put it on my car and try it out. Alright guys, here's the device securely attached to my tire. And you can see the little spiky things here. They can puncture your tire. This wheel covers covering up all of your lug nuts so you can't remove the tire. And I read online that you can remove this by taking the air out of your tire if it's not securely fastened. So yes, I can see that if these clamps aren't in between your rims or tires, I can see that reducing the pressure in your tire would be able to remove this wheel device. However, we're going to assume that the person that installed it correctly. Now there is a gap between this door handle here, so if we were to strike that with a screwdriver and a hammer, I think that would break the lock open. That would be a little too forceful. I think the easiest way would be to use this pen I found. And let's just see how long it takes to pick this lock. And there we go. The pen actually worked. I'm going to insert some screwdrivers into the hole. And try to remove this guy. There it is. And that is how your average person can attack this wheel lock. Guys, thanks for watching my video. In this case, the pen is actually mightier than the sword, and this wheel lock is only to keep honest people honest. So I hope you learned something from my video. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing other unboxings and looking at other Amazon products that we can buy.